Hey everyone, Little Spot here. Welcome to another Fun Facts compilation. Today we're exploring some of the weirdest, wildest animal facts that will absolutely blow your mind. From cube-shaped poop to hearts and heads, buckle up, because things are about to get hopping crazy. I dug through the research so you don't have to, and trust me, nature is stranger than fiction. Let's start with something heartwarming. Did you know that cows have best friends? It's true. Scientific research has shown that cows form incredibly strong bonds with specific herdmates. When they're separated from their bovine best friends, they actually experience measurable stress, their heart rate increases by as much as 10 beats per minute, they become visibly anxious and restless, and they even call out more frequently with distressed moos. They genuinely miss each other, just like we miss our own friends. In a famous study at the University of Northampton, researchers Krista McLennan and colleagues found that cows paired with their best friend were significantly calmer and produced more milk than those paired with a random cow. Their heart rate stayed lower, they moved around less nervously, and they seemed genuinely content. So next time you see two cows hanging out together in a field, you're looking at a genuine friendship, not just coincidence. I guess you could say they're utterly inseparable. Movie over, humans, cows know the true meaning of friendship. Now let's talk about flamingos, those gorgeous pink birds that stand on one leg and eat upside down. They turn pink from their diet of shrimp and algae, which is pretty amazing on its own. But did you know that a group of flamingos has one of the most perfect, fabulous names in the entire animal kingdom? It's not just a flock, not just a colony, it's something much more stylish. Get ready for it. A group of flamingos is called a flamboyance. A flamboyance of flamingos. Doesn't that just sound like a fashion show waiting to happen? With their bright pink feathers, elegant long necks, and graceful poses, they absolutely deserve a name as fabulous as they are. And here's a fun extra, flamingos are born gray and only turn pink because of their diet. Talk about a glow up. These birds really know how to make an entrance. They're the most flamboyant flock in town, no egret about it. Honestly, I wish human groups had names this cool. Imagine a flamboyance of humans, that would be something. Okay, I warned you things would get weird. Here's the fact that'll stick with you, probably because it doesn't roll away. Wombat poop is cube-shaped. That's right, these adorable Australian marsupials produce perfectly square droppings. And no, this is not a joke, scientists at the University of Tasmania have actually studied this phenomenon extensively and published papers on it. So why cube-shaped? Because wombats use their droppings to mark their territory on rocks and logs. The cube shape means the poop stays put instead of rolling away, genius. It's all about the unique elasticity of their intestines, which form the poop into these neat little cubes during the last stage of digestion. The corners harden faster than the sides, creating that perfect geometric shape. Wombats have nature's most geometrically satisfying bathroom habits. They're basically living the square life, and frankly, they don't give a hoot about your opinion of their droppings. Last but not least, let's talk about shrimp. These tiny crustaceans might look simple, but they've got one of the most surprising secrets in the animal kingdom. A shrimp's heart is located in its head. Well, technically it's in its thorax, which is right behind the head, but close enough to absolutely blow your mind. It's one of those facts that makes you look at a shrimp and just think, wow. That means a shrimp's heartbeat is happening just inches from its mouth. And get this, a shrimp's heart beats at up to 200 beats per minute. So it's not just living with a heart in its head, it's living with a very busy heart in its head. Nature is truly incredible. And shrimp also have their nerve cord on their belly instead of their back, so basically, they're built completely backwards compared to us. Talk about wearing your heart on your sleeve, or in this case, your exoskeleton. I'm shrimp-ly amazed by these little creatures. And that's a wrap for today's Animal Oddities. Let's recap. Cows get lonely without their best friends, a group of flamingos is called a flamboyance, wombats leave little cube souvenirs everywhere, and shrimp have their hearts in their heads. I'm Little Spot, and I hope these facts made you smile. It's a wild world out there, nature is full of surprises. Don't be selfish, share these with a friend. I'll hop by again soon with more amazing facts. Remember to stay curious, keep learning, and never stop hopping. See you next time.